To get started with Google Analytics in digital marketing, first sign up for a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. This involves adding a tracking code to your website, which can be done manually or through a tag management system. Once the setup is complete, navigate to the Google Analytics dashboard, where you can view an overview of your website's traffic, including the number of sessions, bounce rate, and average session duration. The dashboard is divided into several sections, including real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversion. Under the audience section, you can view demographic information about your website visitors, including age, location, and interests. This information can be used to create targeted marketing campaigns and improve user experience. In the acquisition section, you can view the channels that drive traffic to your website, including organic search, paid search, social media, and email marketing. This information can be used to optimize your marketing campaigns and allocate budget effectively. The behavior section provides insights into how users interact with your website, including the pages they visit, the time they spend on each page, and the actions they take. This information can be used to identify areas for improvement and optimize user experience. To track conversions, set up goals in Google Analytics, which can include form submissions, purchases, or downloads. You can also set up e-commerce tracking to track revenue and transaction data. Best practices for using Google Analytics include checking data regularly, setting up alerts for unusual activity, and using segmentation to analyze specific groups of users. It is also important to ensure that your tracking code is installed correctly and that you are using the latest version of Google Analytics. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Google Analytics to gain valuable insights into your website traffic and optimize your digital marketing campaigns for better results. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that can help you make data-driven decisions and improve your online marketing strategy.